This is the video guide that is about getting rid of the browser hijacker called newgensearch.com. New Gen Search is a browser hijacker that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. This hijacker may change a lot of crucial browser settings without the user's permission. The hijacker is spread through integration with many free applications, so in most of the cases, users download and install it absolutely unintentionally. If this new gen search has some way or another become the part of your Google Chrome, we recommend you to remove it immediately. We suggest that you use Combo Cleaner antivirus for this purpose. You may get Combo Cleaner on the official website combocleaner.com. Download the application, install the software, and after it gets installed, start examining your system with its help. After you successfully download and install the software, it will be initially in the trial mode. In the trial mode, only quick scan option is available so far. You need to click on Start Scan button, and most likely the program should first of all update its anti-malware database, which is of course definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware, or other types of computer infections. The scanning duration by Combo Cleaner will take some time, of course. It depends on various factors. It may depend on how infected the system is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time. And at the end of the scanning, you will then see the complete summary of all the threats which were revealed on the computer. Combo Cleaner also is provided with a special anti-ransomware feature which allows you to add one or several folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. So you need to wait some time until the scanning has been successfully finalized. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations on the computer. I recommend that you consider upgrading to premium license as the best solution to keep your computer always clean and free of any other threats.